What is that? There's
Yeah,
a
that's-
knife I saw. So like, what else do I don't know.
Nah, that's all you need for now, I guess. Well, bro, we got quite a bit of a track, bro.
She's jumping in waterfalls there.
Hey, man. Getting my shoes wet.
Do you get cold and stuff?
Yeah, yeah. Sure, bro.
Did you break your ankle?
No, I'm kidding.
Dude, I heard your guy walking and I thought there was someone in my room now. Jeez, like.
That other guy, that man, Calvin.
Calvin made me cock myself.
So, bro, I'm just gonna follow this main river all the way down, I guess.
Right. Why are you choosing the hard routes, bro? Just go down the side here.
Bro, me, I'm like a mountain goat.
Yo, this guy's gonna get me killed. Right.
Okay, bro, then I need to teach you a very important trick, bro. Okay?
Yeah.
So if you come here and you press control and you crouch, then look at the bottom right, you'll see there's an eyeball. It goes like white.
Bottom. Oh yeah.
Now, if you come into the bush, you'll see that it goes dark, bro. It means you're hidden.
Ah, okay. So they can't see me.
Okay, so this thing, yeah, not always, but they will find you because of this dumbass that follows us, bro. He'll get us killed.
Right.
Okay, let's keep going, dude. Now you'll notice we're freaking starving and we're thirsty.
Yeah, I was gonna say my ex was gonna die of thirst, bro.
So this water we can drink. It's not the greatest. What the hell is this?
Can we catch a fish there, bro?
Bro, something drowned here. It's one of these guys, they drowned here, bro.
So like, can we harvest him or something? Or not?
We can burn him and get his bones and stuff. Yeah, but for now I'm just gonna drink some of this water. But you'll notice, like, your guy, there'll be like a yellow bar will pop up. If you have too much, he's gonna get sick, so I'm just gonna drink twice.
Yeah, that's what I did now.
Yeah, and then for food, we'll just find a few berries here or something. You can catch these fish as well if you're quick enough, bro.
Yeah, I'm like lightning, bro.
Yeah,
Right.
craft this spear.
Never mind.
I'm gonna make a spear. Now the crafting, I don't know all the crafting, but if you basically hover over the gear, it'll tell you sort of what you can craft and how to craft it.
Over the gear? I don't even have a gear, bro.
No, like if you press I and then like in the middle mat, the grey part, there's a gear icon.
Yeah, but it's black.
Okay, do you have a stick?
No.
Okay, come grab a stick over here somewhere. Let's just find a stick for you. Yeah, there's a stick. Grab these 2 sticks over here.
Ah, shit.
Okay, now if you press I... Hey?
I picked up the wrong thing.
You need 2 of them.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, then now if you move your mouse to the right, you'll see it like moves the whole view. And you'll see there's 2 sticks. Right click on 2 of them, put them in, and he'll put them in the middle.
Okay.
Then if you hover over the gear icon, it should tell you what you can craft. So I think you need 2 sticks and your knife and a piece of duct tape. You might have a duct tape. I'm not sure if you do.
Yeah, I do. Must I
Yeah,
craft
so-
it?
Yeah, put those all in and craft that, and then just number it like. Then you can click on remove, and you'll put it like to the side,
Yeah.
and then you can just add it to whatever number you want it, and then press I again to come out and press that number.
Alright. Grab.
There we go. So now
Yeah.
this, if you hold down right mouse button, you can also throw it, and then you can go get it again. But I use it just as a stick, because now we can get fish, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Here's a fish.
Let's see. Grab. Oh, now you
Got too
swim.
deep. I couldn't. Try catch a fish, bro.
Right. Thank you.
I can't get this damn thing, bro.
Dude, watch behind you there. There's something moving there. I don't know what that is.
There's something running there, bro.
No, I think it's that mud dude. There's like two of them, dude. There's one in the far distance there as well.
The best, so watch out, because we can hurt each other. The best ability is to hit and move, bro. Like very easy. Look at him running there, bro. But yeah.
Yes, dude, I cut myself. Man. Yo,
He's gonna throw stones at us. Okay, let's just keep moving. These guys are not so bad.
Alright.
But I think I'm just gonna eat this MRE that I have here. This MRE pack.
Yeah.
Because we gotta keep moving.
Okay.
Remember G, if you want, you can put your spear down, or
Yeah.
like G holsters, whatever. So they don't like water, bro. They can't really swim.
Bro, how is this fish not dead, dude? Yeah, I got a fish.
Nice.
I also got one.
I'm just gonna put it in my inventory. If you want to eat it straight away, you can. Just hold down E, or if you want to put it away, press E once. Like, just tap it.
Alright.
And we can cook it.
Right?
Yeah.
Check. This dude, just guy runs like a springbok, dude. He gallops.
Okay, so let's Okay, so I reckon what we're gonna do, you see those trees up there on the hill?
Yeah.
So what I did last time is I cut down those trees and then I let the logs roll down the hill,
Alright.
and then we can just build the raft over here.
Right.
So if you press B and then you hold down X and you'll switch mode, and you'll see there's like a whole lot of building stuff. So I'm just gonna place the blueprint. Now I think you should be able to see the blueprint as well. There's a whole
Yeah, I can
lot
see
of
it,
shit
yeah.
to craft.
Check.
So, okay, dude. So I don't know if you want to. You can. So, these. If you want, if you can go cut down some of those trees, dude. I want to eat my hamburger, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, dude. I'll do that.
You can just use that X.
Yeah. I figured. I'll use my fist, bro. Dude, watch out! There's people coming.
Hey, we gotta shire these guys, bro.
Right?
Yo, he killed me.
Oh.
Now where's those bloody Hottentots, bruh? Sorry, dude, I'm nearly finished eating.
Oh, good. I don't know what a Hottentots is, bro.
Here they are, bro. Yarr, now we must kill those guys somehow, bro. Okay. The bow and arrow, it makes them stumble at least.
Alright. They're gonna kill Calvin, dude.
I'm gonna throw it, and then I'm gonna run up to him and hit him with the axe, dude. Oh shit, I missed.
Bruh.
What the? That thing went right through him.
Oh! You killed me, bro. Again.
Yesterday. And these seagulls, we can eat these seagulls, bro.
I was just about to ask, can we chow these birds? Just, are you gonna keep quiet, bro? Can I turn my...
There. Grab it, bro. Don't let it burn. Yeah, that seagull was gonna grab that fish, bro.
Dude, it's so hard right now. Okay, it's in my inventory, ne?
Mm-hmm.
My oak is like a savage, bro. Yo.
Okay, so basically we need freaking 50 logs, bro. I need to go drink water.
Alright.
There's a seagull.
Now, you say we share the stuff, so maybe there's another thing of rope there for you, dude.
Oh, there could be, yeah.
Yeah,
Grab these feathers, we need them.
wrap this thing with just a stick.
Hey, bro, you landed on that starfish.
Yo! Bro, I've got his head. This guy's lazy, bro. Bro, this Calvin dude is just chilling here, bro. He's having a relaxing time.
Yeah, dude. Freaking bastard. Yeah, we're busy making house, bro. I think you should also be able to give him like things to do.
Guys,
Oh
go
yeah,
back up.
this lady with the
Yeah?
this lady with the swimming costume is here now, so she's gonna become friendly eventually.
Alright. Is there a fire?
He's busy making one.
Yeah, bro, did it take any longer?
Yeah, bro, this guy is he's on a go slope.
Stay away from my steak, bro. I'll quasi you.
Oh, okay, then you mustn't have mine, bro.
Yes, sis, bro!
Hey, this
Yeah,
guy!
this guy! Hey!
He's in the food, bro.
Hey, why not sick?
Can you watch that? Let it cook, brother. I need to go drink, bro.
I had another steak. I thought we must keep the steaks, bro. I didn't realize.
Eat whatever, bro, but just leave me a few there.
Gonna leave you naughty.
This guy's gonna burn that meat, I can see.
Yo! Dude, it cooks quick. Yo, 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 yo. Hey! Sick, yeah, man.
And did it cook?
I left you one, bro.
Is this my idea?
Dude, I've got all of yours. That's the one I put down, but you might as well just eat that one. Then I'll give you yours.
Okay, I'll
back.
eat this one when it's ready, yeah. I think 2 should do for the beginning.
What, did you eat 2?
I haven't eaten yet.
But I'm saying, must we eat 2? Because let me give you your other one. No
Yeah,
medicine.
eat as much as you can. Like, don't save it, bro, because it goes rotten.
Ah, shit, okay. Yes, man. Okay.
Bruh.
Yes!
Did it hurt you?
Yeah, sus. I don't know, my oak made a noise. Look, now you're wasting, bro. Look here.
There's one missing, that's the last one. Yeah, I'll die, bro, I'm nearly dead.
Hey, don't throw it again.
Oh no, this is... Okay, so we just need the sticks now. So this guy's gonna get sticks.
Wait, finally,
Okay,
it's
see,
useful.
I have a rope and you have a rope, so I think the rope is fine. We just need to find duct tape. This guy's gonna gather sticks for us. Are you ready,
Alright.
ready, bro?
Just...
What's wrong?
There were 3 spiders that just came out of that rock, dude.
Yeah, they bit me, those ones, bro. Okay, so you see that smoke plume over there? That means there's a camp over there.
Okay.
But I guess we can just kind of go up here and see if we can find one.
Is that what we're looking
So
for?
I found
Is it
the yeah, because that's where we're gonna find some special items. So the best way to do this, bro, is to like throw your spear at them, and then immediately switch to your axe and run and hit him and grab your spear from him while you're busy hitting him, dude. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Because then when you hit him with your spear, first of all it stops his attack, and then second of all, like, it stumbles him, so you have time to quickly run and hit him a few times.
Alright.
Yeah. Now somehow I've got another oh wait, yeah, I've got lots more. Can I drop the spear? I've got like 3 spears, dude. I guess it was from when I killed that guy. I can't share them. I don't know how to give you more now.
That's fine, dude. You can quasar them with your spears. I'll be like
Alright.
secondary backup or whatever. I'll be the warm-up. You can be the main event, bro.
There. Stay hidden. There's a tent in front of us. Careful, because they'll patrol around here.
I can hear
Now we have to be quiet, bro. Just remember that I think it must go dark, then you're hidden.
It's okay for us.
Must keep running, keep moving. Right click to block if you have to. Yo, he got me. Get lucky.
Oh shit.
But I'm here, dude. I'm here, I'm gonna help you fight. Where are you?
I'm running away from this dude.
Okay, bro, run if you have to.
Yay! I'm gonna die. Yo, don't see Lene.
I'm down. I just gotta get my gear, bro.
I'm dead. I'm gonna die.
I just gotta grab my weapons. Keep running. Yo. Oh my, he got me again, dude. Oh, I'm here again, bro. But where am I?
You're on a thing there.
How are you still alive, bro?
Dude, I'm dodging. I'm trying to get my spear here, but I can't.
I gotta get my bag, dude.
Oh, I missed. I think I got him. Attack! Listen! I got him, dude.
Is there more?
I killed 2. I don't know. I didn't see any other ones. I think you
Okay,
killed
there's
the
one
rest.
tied up there. Okay. Yo, bro. I don't know where my other spear went, but
There's one in this guy here.
Coconut
Yeah, grab
cherry,
it, dude.
Nature bar. Protein from when
There's another one. There's another one.
needed most.
Yay!
I'm Sunu, bro.
What's him, bruh?
Grab your
Yeah.
spear. Yeah, I just turned this radio off.
And now he's switching channels, bro.
There's one tied up on this log. Yeah, we need to kill this one, bro.
This one.
Yeah.
What's him, bruh?
Yeah.
Oh! So it's just taking it, bro.
Yes, bro.
Jesus.
Nice. Nice.
Looks
Is he dead?
fast, bro. I don't
Stop
know.
breathing.
Finish him off, dude. There's rope here.
Oh, shit. Yeah, that's what you can. There's one there in when you killed that last one.
Yeah?
He ran away, bro. I don't know what he climbed the tree there.
Let's kill
Let's
him.
just grab what we can. Dude. Grab the
Okay.
bones, everything.
Bones.
Whatever you can grab. There's 2 containers to open there as well.
Ah, he's dead, dude. Jeez, like I cocked myself.
Oh
Yo.
shit! Busted! Busted! So no.
Yo! I absolutely shat myself.
What's that,
man.
runner? He ran off there. He'll be back, dude.
Yeah, I need to get my shit.
I think as long as one of us are alive, dude, it's okay. He ran off that way, dude.
Which way? Sorry, I didn't see.
Yeah, this way. Okay, you gather what you can. I'm gonna keep watch for a second.
Yeah. Oh, duct tape.
He's coming back. He's coming back, dude. I can see him there. I'm gonna get him, bro. Hey, Rena. Come down from there, Rena. Oh shit. Yeah.
Yeah, shit.
Yep. Fuck. Got him, bro.
Yeah, I heard, bro.
I got him, man. Even grab the bones because we can make armor with this.
Yeah, yeah. I only found 2 bones though.
We got duct tape now. We got
Yeah,
enough.
I've got duct tape as well. Found. And 2 rope.
Did you open up these?
No, I didn't see. Oh, 2 duct tape. Nice. There's nothing in it for me.
Here's a rope here.
Yeah, I got that rope.
Okay, I think we're good to go back. I think we have everything we need.
These guys are bitches, bro. Easy.
Oh, let's line me, bro.
Hey.
Yeah. There's this woman, you see her?
Ah, she's a fair lady, bro.
Bro, she's got too many arms and legs, it's weird. A fair lady!
Too many arms and legs.
Bro, she's got like 3 arms and 3 legs, dude. It's weird.
Yeah, that means she'll move you 3 times over, bro.
How many we need there? Oh,
Just one more.
log.
I threw one down just now.
Hey,
She getting closer to you, like she's not running away, or
She... I don't know, she's like walking away from me. Slowly.
okay. She'll eventually get a bit tamer, and then we can. She'll like be
Tamer.
friends with us. We can, yeah.
Bro, I can hear music.
Well, good luck. Is there a camp there?
Yo, dude, there's a guy here.
Bad guy or what?
I don't know, it's just one guy sitting here. I don't know if he's dead. I think he's dead, huh? Because I'm standing right next to him and he's doing nothing.
Does he have any loot or anything?
Yeah, there's gang stuff here, dude. There's like...
Yeah, grab. Yeah, let's grab there. I'm coming.
Dude, there's a grenade here.
did you kill this man or what?
No, he's dead. He was dead, bro. He was lying here.
Zipline rope.
I found a grenade in there, dude.
Oh, in a pot? Nice. Yeah, grenade is always helpful, bro. No, he's not our problem. This one is not our problem, bro. If you died him. You see that orange thing out in the water there? We need to get to that and then we can... There's more loot inside there.
Alright. I picked up his speaker now by mistake. How do I put it?
No, just keep it for now. I don't know.
Then we have some tunes, man.
Where is it? Did you grab it?
Yeah, I picked it up.
Look, we need to find a turtle, bro.
So that's why I came here. I was looking for a turtle.
Yeah. No, no more deaths. I want no more excuses now, bro.
Yo, I'm going to harass someone now, bro, in his face. Yo, also this guy got a stutla, but he's just holding rocks or something in his arm.
So, dude, I don't know what else you want to keep building or whatever, but we can build and we can go exploring whatever now.
Let's go to that beach on that side, bro. Maybe there's. Did you
We've
go?
got a safe place, you know?
Yeah. Did you go all the way down there?
I haven't gone. Well, I did before, but I haven't gone too far. But we still, yeah, we should go that way so we can get a shell maybe.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Right, catch us. You flew in my head, bro.
We need to make sure we have lots of arrows and shit, dude.
Bro, I got Days and Troy. That's all I need.
There's in Troy.
It's my what I name my biceps, bro. Together they destroy.
Oh.
There's a fish. Bro.
Oh look, I can actually share with you. Hold on. Yeah, if I go into your, if I look at you and press your inventory, I can. That's how you share. Okay.
Alright, nice.
Yeah. Let me give you a seed, bro. Take.
How do I take it?
I gave it to you.
You gave it to me.
Oh, so this is how we can share. Okay, cool.
What is
Well,
R?
at least we know.
What happens if I click
R is R and Q goes different ways. Just changes the direction.
Ah, wait, I see. It like scrolls through my inventory. Yes, I can give you anything, dude.
Yeah, yeah. Pretty handy.
Hey, don't run away from me. I'm trying to give you something.
Oh, there's a shoe here, bro.
I'm gonna give you a stick for that.
What are you giving me? I don't want seeds, bro. What are you giving me?
I was gonna give you a grenade, but okay, bro. If you don't want it.
No, you better keep that grenade, bro. Because when my plan with the grenade is, if you die, I'm putting the pin and I'm laying down on that grenade, bro.
This guy's gonna be like
last
Lethal
time
Company.
I killed the turtle, yeah, somewhere last time.
Sus. Savage.
There he is, bro. We gotta get him, dude. I know it's
Savage,
horrible,
bro.
but we gotta get. We have to, bro. I know it's bad, but.
Is it dead? Yeah, it's
Yeah,
dead.
cut him up. We
Cut
have to
him
get
up.
this one as well.
Are we getting two, bro? Shame.
Because we can make more water then, bro. I think you can.
Those look like some mighty fine steaks, bro.
Didn't you get meat from that turtle?
Did I? I didn't look. No, I've only got cooked meat. And that's from those seagulls.
What's that food, bro?
Right, bro, what? Bro, what just happened? There you go.
Yo.
Get that one, bro.
I'm gonna cook another one, hold on.
Wait, I took one. Oh, but now am I supposed to know which one is raw and which one isn't? I mean, which one is off and which one isn't?
You hover over it, it'll say rotten or...
Oh, okay, then all of these meats are fine.
Yeah, wear them on there, bro.
No, well, I mean, these are cooked.
Oh, yeah, eat those. Got 2 here.
Yes, I keep pressing tab because of... What's her name?
Oh, you took my meat, bro.
I pressed the wrong button, dude.
I was waiting for that to cook. It wasn't cooked.
Just,
Yeah, you got quick hands, bud.
you must be sharper, yeah, bro. This is survival, dude.
bro. Yeah, next time I better watch my fingers. Yesterday.
Dude.
Yes, bro, that thing had barely changed color, bro.
Yeah, dude, I like my meat raw, bro. You must know.
Yes, I must watch you from now on, bro.
Just with the horns cut off, it's fine, dude.
Like, imagine you add someone's bra, dude, then it's ready, then they...
You just quickly...
Yeah. Here, let's go. We take the first one and glide on the way back to the house, bro. And
What's
hopefully
this
there's
thing?
another one for me. I don't know, that guy flew over me once and then flew away. I don't know, dude.
Okay. How do I control it, dude? Does that just figure out, okay? I'll figure it out, man.
Oh, there's 2, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna jump, bro.
This guy thinks I'm gonna... Yo! I thought it wasn't working.
Can you hear me?
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Now you can use S and W to go up and down, and E and A to turn, you know?
Yeah, that's just WASD.
I don't know if you can see there's that orange thing in the water there. We need to build a raft and go there, bro. At some point.
Can't we go there now in our raft?
We can, it might be slow. I know, like, one player, bro, it was slow, but there's 2 oars, so maybe it'll be quicker with the 2 of us. So.
Right. Wait. How do you land, bro?
I don't know, bro, I'm just gonna go to the ground, bro.
So watch this. Grah! Yo, dude, I'm picking up speed, yeah.
Yeah, dude, I used the circles to slow down, bro. Hey! Achoo, okay.
Did you land in the water?
Yeah. And then if you pick it up, then you can just press G, and then he puts it, he'll like pack it in his bag, then you've got it.
Yes, dude, imagine you just fold up your
Yeah. So now
hang
you
glider.
probably wanna give it a number, like it's gonna be top left.
Dude, I'm just gonna turn my light off quickly in my room.
Yeah. Yes! What track is this now, bro? Yesterday. Yeah, chin chin baboons here.
What?
These tracks, bro.
This Shrek, bud. How do I get out of the...
Press G, press G.
Yeah, everything's G. Yes, this bro. I definitely go to a
Yes,
nightclub
bro.
with these tracks.
Yes, bro.
Yo, now I've
Grab
got a-
everything in here.
I got a Bamu. Oaks must be
So I don't know if this thing needs ammo or if we can. It surely must. Yeah, 9mm ammo. So I reckon what happens is like one of us keeps the gun, the other one gives the gun to the chick, bro.
Okay.
So you can keep the gun if you want,
I'm easy, dude.
and I'll give mine to the chick. Yeah, this is everything, I think. I'm stuck in there, bro.
You're struggling.
Oh god! Hey?
Hey.
Yeah, I'm scared of shocks, but then
Bro, I'm stuck.
you better jump, bro.
Yo.
You better. Okay.
Can we sleep here?
Okay, I think. Yeah, we can. But yeah, we can, dude. Let me sleep. Yes, the tracks, buds. Yesterday, bro. Yeah, those tracks are gonna go on all night, bro. Yeah, splashy ma. Are you sleeping? Come out, man.
Oh. Sorry, bro. I was jolling with a track.
Yeah. Okay, bro. My kettle is finished. I just want to go do that, bro.
What?
The kettle's finished. I just want to go and.
Alright. Dude, I'm gonna die of thirst. Do you have anything I can drink?
Is there water yet?
No.
Okay, so I think the only thing you can do is drink a soda, bro.
I've got an energy drink.
Yeah, that's about the best you can do right now. I need to drink one as well.